right. Desmond, you don't know about this. I found this bunny under the fridge. It used to be a marshmallow. Diego's been bet $5 by Sarah Powell that he wouldn't eat it.
Oh.
Oh, let's hear that. Let's hear that. Nope, fresh bite.
It's like Lucky Charms.
Oh my gosh, ew.
Can I try?
You want to try?
It is like Lucky
Dude,
Charms.
that's like 3 years old. Hey, Daddy, you want the rest of it? There's something so wrong with you.
$5 and $5.
What are you going to do with your $5?
Yep.
Kid.
Save it.
Liar. How did you like it? And you did it for free. Sucker.
But it still tasted good.